This is our GE washer, top loader. It exploded yesterday. You can see it was originally next to the dryer, and after the explosion, this is how it landed. So the top blew off. You can see like sludge on the wall. It just looks like it busted a leg on the utility tub. You can see just whatever that stuff is, it threw everywhere. It's parts and pieces. I think of everything, the sound that this made when it happened was just indescribable. It was just an average size load of laundry that was in here. Just a baby blanket, some hand towels, a couple cotton shirts, and there was water all over the floor, which is why these blankets and towels are down here. And then it's also has an internal storage for laundry detergent, which is now leaking on the floor. So that's why there's towels all around it.